I have an idea. Hello everyone, what's going on? If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kevin. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you my beautiful watermelon that I've grown in my backyard. In this video, I want to show you guys how to cut a watermelon hack. For this watermelon hack, you will need some floss, wrap around my middle finger, put my hands next to the watermelon, and cut it as close to the bottom as you can. Voila! Nice clean cut. For this watermelon hack, you will need some floss, wrap around my middle finger, put my hands next to the watermelon, and cut it as close to the bottom as you can. Voila! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.